guys, good morning. In this video I will try to give an explanation or an answer to this question, which is what is the stock market? Now the stock market is the place where we buy or sell stocks. Okay, what do we mean by stocks? It means the company security. It means that each company which is public, it has what we call shares. So here we have company. It has like millions of shares or thousands of millions of shares, millions of shares. Sorry for my handwriting. So millions of shares, and the people or the traders or the investors, they go and choose a company and they buy its shares. Okay, so let's say we have here an exchange, because stock market we have a lot of exchanges, and the exchange is the place where we sell or buy shares. Now let us give us an example. For example, the NYSE, which is New York Securities Exchange. Okay, you find thousands of companies. They are listed. Okay, they are listed. It means the company go public, and you find them in this exchange. Now we can give an example, which is a new stock, which is Facebook. I know most of the people know Facebook. Okay, and when you find like a company like Facebook Inc., it has what we call a symbol. It means when you want to search for companies, you should have what we call a symbol, or there is another word which is ticker. Okay, symbol or ticker. Now let us take the example of Facebook. Facebook ticker is FB. When you put this ticker, and you will have Facebook. Now, in order to buy stocks, what you should do? You should do what? You should go to what we call a broker. Now, broker, you should open an account on any broker that you can find online, wherever broker you want. Now, in this broker, you can buy and sell shares of any company through this broker. Okay, so let's say you open an account, you transfer some money from your bank account to this broker, and then you want to buy Facebook, just an example. Okay, now you say to buy or you sell Facebook. Okay, when you want the buy thing is called here we have the bid, here you have the ask. So you go to the right side and you find this button like this, which is buy. So you find the price of the buy is bigger than the price shown in the sell. It means if you want to buy, you should use this button here. For example, today Facebook is $28.4. This is the price that you can buy the stock, and if you want to sell after 1 minute or 10 minutes or 1 day or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, whatever you want, if you want to sell you just go to this button and you click on it, sell, and wherever the price is, you will sell with it. Okay, whenever you see this sell and buy, wherever you see this sell and buy, you find here, for example, the buy is 28.04. You find here, for example, the sell is $28. Now, why is this? Why you buy expensive and you sell like cheap? This is because in the stock market or the exchange, there is what we call the market maker. Market maker. You can find you find these market makers. You find them in the exchange, which is called Nasdaq, which is the name of the exchange, or you can find what you call specialist in the NYSE, which is New York Securities Exchange. Okay, those people, they make money because you buy and you sell. Okay, now they will sell you the share of Facebook with 28.04 cents, and if you want to sell them, for example, you have thousands of shares you bought before and you want to buy more or you want to sell, you will sell them with $28. You tell yourself, why is this? Why is sell so expensive? More expensive than I sell. This because this is the way that those guys make profit for themselves, for the exchange, which is Nasdaq or the NYC. So it means you cannot buy and sell shares without going through these guys, which is market makers or the specialists. Okay, so this is all for the stock market. I just go in general, just brief, and the stock market in general. Thousands or billions of shares are shared each day. So we have a lot of money here, and people, they go to buy and to sell, having the idea that they will make profit. So the stock market is very risky, so it's not for everyone. But there are a lot of beginners that buy and sell, and most of the time those people or those beginners, or they will lose money. So it's a risky thing. So this is just a general thing on how to buy and how to sell in one of those like exchanges like Nasdaq or NYSE, or there are other exchanges less famous than those two. And hope you enjoy the video. Thank you very much.